What's up with you guys? It's me and Catherine, your Wanderlust traveler, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, this is actually my Vlogmas day 4 and I'm so late uploading. Siguro ma-upload ko na to siya ngayong gabi. So, sinut ko siya ngayon at i-upload ko siya mamayang gabi. Sobrang late na talaga guys kasi I have a lot of things to do and then ayun, so yeah, without any further ado, alam niyo naman kung anong title ng video na to. Alam ko walang nagtatanong, but let me just share you how I edit my Instagram photos. I am really obsessed with Instagram. I really like how other influencers like ngayon guys, bet na bet ko talaga ng mga Instagram influencers, yung mga feeds nila, si Ida Andayo, Angelique Manto, and Faye Balogo. I really love their Instagram profile. Yung feed nila sobrang napaka-aesthetic, minimal, at saka ang gaan sa mata. So before guys, meron akong how I edit my Instagram pictures way back 2 years ago I think. And ngayon this is the updated one. So yeah, I'm actually going to show you how I edit my Instagram photos. Okay guys, I'll put my Instagram feed here or here kung saan yung mas malaking bakanteng space. So, I actually have, this is actually my Instagram. So, it's an active. So, ayun guys, ngayon guys, ito yung aking feed. Sobrang gusto ko siya. Para siyang cool, na grayish, na minimal. Before, yung aking Instagram feed is a little bit like warm tones. Ayan, makikita niyo mga warm tones yan. Ayan. And then, since na-discover ko si Angelique Manto at saka I already been following Ida Andayo and then Faye Balogo. But when I saw Angelique Manto content in Instagram, it really hooked me. Like, gusto ko nang mag-change ng Instagram feed kasi parang nakakasawa na yung warm tones. Gusto ko na mag-minimalist, grayish. Yung parang medyo simple but darker. Not darker, I still want to put colors, but yung parang cool tones na siya. So, ayan. So, how do I edit my Instagram photos? First, guys, I only edit, not only, but most 99%, I only edit my Instagram photos in the Lightroom Mobile. Lightroom Mobile is free sa mobile. But when you use the Adobe Lightroom Photoshop in the desktop or your laptop or computer, you have to pay for it. But sa mobile, guys, free lang siya. So, ayan. Ito yung aking mga photos. Ayan. So, as you can see, before, all my photos are warm tones. Ayan. So, ngayon, nag-iba na siya. Naging cool with grayish tones. like that minimalist. I'm so obsessed with minimal, earthy tones, browns. As you can see, naka-brown ako ngayon. And then, yeah. So, let's try to edit some photos. For example, these photos. By the way, guys, sa Lightroom kasi, you have to add also your presets. So, I found this app that they have like free presets. Also, if you want more of their presets, you can buy. But marami silang presets na free lang. So, you can actually download FLTR in Android. I'm not sure if it's available in iOS, but for Android phones, it's available. They have actually a lot of free presets na sobrang ganda. It's like they have basics. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng kanilang mga Lightroom presets. I always love to use presets kasi mas madali siyang trabahuin. Meron din silang Florida sets na free. It's more on the traveling. Maganda siya pag yung mga content mo pang travel, ganon. Meron din silang presets sa mga stay home. This is very nice presets, especially nowadays that most content creators are only inside the room, and yeah. Then marami pa silang mga free. If you want more of their presets, you can actually buy their presets. Let me see. Yeah, they have a lot. Gusto ko to siya. So they have they have 1 month access of their presets for 299 baht, 12 months, and you will pay monthly, and you can actually like 899 for lifetime. So ayun. Pwede mo naman siyang bilhin, but I think they're free kung ayaw mo namang gumastos, this free that they have is already okay. So ayun, I highly recommend FLTR. I don't know how to pronounce their app. It's filter or FLTR. So ayun. So how I edit my Lightroom? I mean, how do I edit my Instagram photo? I know no one is asking. I just want to share it with you guys. So for example, itong picture na to. I really love this picture, how I edited it, and the color, the minimalist of it is so amazing. So how do I edit it? Oh my god, malapit akong maluma. So first is let's do reset everything. So ito yung kanyang original na photo. So I actually used I actually also download free presets in YouTube. Marami kasing mga nasa YouTube na how tutorial on how they edit their Instagram photos, and they give free and they give free presets. Ayun. And then yeah, and I also like got this one. This is from Chersly Pineda. I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce. Crislin Pineda. So this presets is from Crislin Pineda. I actually got it from her YouTube video, I think. Or yung tiningnan kong YouTube video, nakuha rin niya to at shinare. Or sa kanya talaga. I'm not sure, but I got this presets from YouTube video lang. So what I did is that I have to tap the three dotted thingy at the top corner. Dun sa taas, may 3 dotted. And then copy settings. And then wag mo nang ibahin lahat. Just copy it. And then go back to the photo that you want to edit. Saan ba yun? Ito. Yan. And then, click again the 3 dotted circles at the top and then paste settings. Ganun lang kadali guys. Copy and paste yung presets. Kaya kaya mahilig ako sa presets. Kasi minsan, I don't have to edit anything. Minsan naman, I have to edit a few little things to adjust certain things. Ganun. But this one, maganda na siya. But gusto ko pa siyang i-enhance. So, I'll have to go to the color. And then, I have to go to the mix. And then, I have to desaturate the blue, the aqua, and a little bit of the yellow. So, let's go to the blue. Desaturate ko siya hanggang -100. And then, sa aqua, desaturate hanggang -100 din. And then, sa yellow tones ko, yun din. Maybe like -65. Kasi kung ano ko na siya, mawawala yung parang, so, parang na siyang grayish. So, kaya hindi na siya parang buhay na buhay. Yeah. So, -65 is okay. Then, click done. And then, I have to go to my, the light settings. So, yung highlights ko, kailangan ko siyang i-drag down to -100. Yung aking whites to -100 as well. Ayan na na. O, ayan. Tapos yung blocks ko, gusto ko lang siyang mag-maintain na para bang contrasty. Yung dark feeling niya. Dark feeling. So, siguro nasa mga -47. And then, yung exposure niya, masyado siyang napaka-light. So, gusto natin yung darker feeling. So, I have to like lower it to 0.15 EV. Ayan. So, that's it. That's how I edit my Instagram photos. Ganun lang, copy-paste nyo lang yung mga presets na nakuha nyo sa FLTR na app or dun sa mga na-download nyo sa YouTube videos. Kasi sa mga YouTube videos na nagbibigay ng tutorial, they actually like provided a description box ng mga links ng kanilang mga nagbibigay kasi sila most of the time ng mga free presets. So, just check out their description box. And then, so let's check the original photo. Ito yung original niya. And this is the edited one. Diba? Sobrang ganda. So, after that, I actually put it in my... I have actually a folder in my Lightroom. This is white theme. So, ina-add ko siya dito. So, para makita ko kung nagbabalance ba silang lahat. So, I just want everything na in a flow. Like, pareho lang sila ng level ng brightness, ng color, ng pagka-gray, ng pagka-dark, ng pagka-minimal, ganon. So, let's go back to all photos, yung inedit ko. And then, I actually like add to white theme and then add. Ayan, copied to white theme. Ayan. So, I think hindi na siya makakopy kasi nandito na siya actually. Ayan. So, this is actually how I edit my photos. And, kung tatanungin nyo, paano ma-add yung preset sa FLTR dun sa Lightroom. Oh my god, cancel. We're sorry. I'm sorry. So, for example lang, okay, itong basic set number 2. So, what we should do is that i-click nyo lang yung photos and automatically na mag-a-add na siya dun sa inyong Lightroom app. For example, another basic set 3. Click nyo lang siya and then it will automatically added the photo in your album. So, let's check kung na-add ba siya. See, na-add siya guys. Ito yun. Ayan. So, this is already a preset. Copy settings. Ganun lang. And then, let's try. Other photos of mine. So, for example, this one. So, i-reset natin siya. And then, let's try that one. Paste, setting. Ayan. So, what I just want to do is like, too much warm tones. So, yellowish. Yeah. Edit nyo lang kung anong gusto nyo na maging tones niya. And then, contrast, highlights, shadow, whites. Yeah. Then, let's crop the photo. I-unlock natin. Sorry. Okay. So, this is the photo. So, ganun lang kadali mag-edit ng Instagram photo, guys. Just use the Adobe Lightroom Mobile. So, ayun guys. I hope you like this very, very short video of mine on how I edit my Instagram photo. I know no one is asking. I just want to share. So, sharing is loving. So, ayun guys. And hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!